Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life, and please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you're getting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet bracelet ideas for modern girls, young girls, slim smart girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Beautiful ideas, most demanding crochet collection. Some are simple and some are decorated with beaded stones, chain style, button up style. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Beautiful pattern. Beautiful crochet pattern. And you can wear this crochet bracelet with matching your dresses in any party like college, birthday, uni function and casual at your home, because this is very beautiful and simple, lightweight. Mostly girls like crochet jewelry. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet bracelet ideas. Free pattern. Beautiful designing, mind-blowing ideas. Crochet handmade knitting pattern. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers. Allah Hafiz.